Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.